Hi, we know how important it is to take your Octopus project beyond the platform, whether it is for presentation, your website, client's email, or another professional tool. To access export options, click Share in the top right corner. Then go to Export tab. Here you have a bunch of options. Let's start with PNG and PDF. Clearly, these are visual options, best for presentations, slides, and maybe blog and websites. Then there are TXT, CSV, and XML. The latter two are best if you want to extract data and use it, for example, in another tool or another platform. Then there is Sitemap XML file, by the way, available on all plans, including free one. That's crucial if you want to improve your website search visibility on Google, Bing, or other search engines. Next up, WordPress. Especially popular website creation platform, and this export options create a downloadable file that can be imported directly into WordPress to create a website structure. It will bring to WordPress your whole hierarchy, pages, blocks as sections together with the content, and most of the text styling will go through as well. Last but not least is Figma Expert. We have our own plugin available to you on free plan as well, on all plans, including free one. And you can choose between two options. First one is to create artboards with the page reminders on the right hand. And second option is to export sitemap as you see it in Octopus. Just click the link here, and here the link to Figma plugin to install it in Figma. And that's it for experts. We try to cover all common needs, but if you're missing a format or integration, let us know in the comments.